Yes, just a mention to the Duxford fire team. There's a full-time fire service here at Duxford, and yes, been able to bring in and drop off the number of passengers it had on board for its flight over. The people from Red Bull who were coming over on it. Might not be the best known American fighter, the T-36, but it surely counts as one of the most significant. Some people have said it's the first truly modern American production fighter of the 1930s. Off goes the DC-6 underneath. Started being delivered to pursuit groups, as fighter groups were then called, of the US Army Air Corps in 1938, and the following year it represented a quarter of the Corps' entire frontline strength. And another very attractive silver aircraft, airborne underneath, the B-25, that and the DC-6. Leading within, the Douglas DC-6B, by the North American B-25J Mitchell.
No, don't worry.
And with the aeroplane DC-6 and the Swiss Breitling Super Constellation having been grounded, this DC... medium bombers of World War II, so no wonder it saw employment during the D-Day period, but not by the US Army Air Forces, by the RAF. 3 squadrons of RAF Mitchells were stationed at Duxford in Surrey, numbers 98, 180 and 320 as part of the 2nd Tactical Air Force. 320 was a Dutchman squadron, and on D-Day they attacked German troop concentration further to the west, up towards the American Air Museum end of the airfield. So it'll be the case up until such time as the motorway traffic in that direction gets on the move again. Thank you very much for your understanding about that. The Flying Bulls B-25J Mitchell then, into land, flown in today's display by a crew headed by Frederick Handelman.
Here we go.